Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really practical item for anyone using a Sennheiser e845 or e835s microphone. This is a generic replacement microphone grill designed specifically for those models. You know, over time, the grill on a handheld microphone can take a beating. It gets dented, scratched, or the internal foam windscreen can degrade. This replacement grill offers a straightforward solution to bring that microphone back to looking and performing its best. One of the standout features mentioned is the built-in foam pop protection. This is crucial for vocal performance or speaking, as it helps to significantly reduce those harsh P and B sounds known as plosives, as well as general breath noise. Having this foam integrated means you don't need to worry about adding an external pop filter or windscreen in many situations, keeping the microphone's profile clean. The product is described as a direct replacement, meaning it should screw right onto the microphone body where the old grill was. It's sold as a single pack, so if you have one microphone that needs a refresh, this is exactly what you'd be looking for. For someone whose original grill is damaged, or perhaps the foam inside has deteriorated, swapping it out for this generic replacement can make a noticeable difference in both the microphone's appearance and its audio performance, particularly in controlling those unwanted vocal artifacts. It's presented as a simple, effective way to extend the life and usability of a valuable microphone like the e845 or e835s without needing to replace the entire unit. The focus here is on functionality and restoration, getting that microphone back in a top shape for recording or live sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.